Team All Kinds of Muscle.
Where we at tonight, bro?
Bro, we're at the Tour of Destruction.
Legends of Demolition Derby!
We are at the Tour of Destruction.
Or
Chris.
Night of Destruction.
Face destruction!
What we doing tonight, bro? Night of Destruction, that's true.
Watching this up.
Cause I just stay applying pressure in the streets like a piston. I'm whipping all kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that red light turn green, I'm burning all kind of rubber. See the fire from the muffler, see the fire from the muffler.
Yeah, we at the Tour of Destruction.
Yeah.
Yes,
ready
sir.
To see some carnage, bro.
Ready to see some wreckage.
Language?
I gotta delete that.
Delete that footage.
We are at the Tour of Destruction. I'm ready to see some damage.
Damage? Damage to what?
Cars.
Cars.
Cars?
Let's get down to business.
Jared, he already looking at me. I was about to get him. He's just looking.
Dude, I almost had you.
He's already looking. Give me that.
Bring it!
chaos out there.
Oh, I bet she done took his motor out. Three-cylinder Geo, the Geo Metro.
He's only a 2-cylinder now.
Oh. It is. Oh, my man stuff gonna blow up.
Not to blow.
Oh. Oh.
Burning out, I can't see nobody. I don't know who is who. Coming through with that Lancer Evo. I got the Super 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that